Hey guys, Ralph here, and today we're going to change engine air filter on Nissan Kicks. First step is pop up your hood. So once you pop up your hood, so here's your engine air filter, and you need to remove this by using a flathead screwdriver. After that, there's two clips on the side that you need to remove as well. Then you wiggle it back and forth until you remove the cover. Now you're good to remove the engine air filter. So here's our new one, and this is the old one that has 15,000 miles on it. And that's how you replace your engine air filter on your Nissan Kicks. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.